I recently have noticed that we've had significant increase in the number of subscribers. So we want to thank you for your interest. And because there seems to be some continuing speech restrictions going on with some of the platforms, you may want to come to one of our other platforms that may have more information that we can share with you than what you're seeing now. Those of you who've been looking at our newsletter for some time, in addition to the videos, will notice a very welcome and quite dramatic change in the chart that shows the performance of our portfolio versus the overall market, the Standard & Poor's. And in the last several months, there's been a very dramatic outperformance by our portfolio, which of course is gratifying to us in real terms, and also, I hope, would be of interest to some of the people considering subscribing, because it's very unusual. Most of the newsletters, to my knowledge, will talk about, in some cases, maybe individual stocks or industries that they like, but to my knowledge, they don't say, well, what's your actual results been? This is another reason why we're pretty proud of what's happened recently. And if those of you who've been listening to many of these videos, even if you haven't looked at the actual newsletters and the chart on the newsletter, will know that the biggest reason for that is our consistent support for the silver miners as a major reason to put a big chunk of your liquid assets into that industry. And although we've had a good increase, in some cases you've had stocks that we've been involved in the last few months doubling or more, we continue to think, very unusually, that it's only the beginning in the move up in gold and especially silver. And another reason for checking out the newsletters themselves is we'll give you videos of some of the key experts, such as Alistair McLeod or Andy Schechtman or Andy McGuire, that we think, or Michael Oliver in particular also. Those four guys, we have great respect for how they're analyzing the outlook for silver and gold, and that might be another reason for, in addition to you're looking at my friendly face in the video, check out the chart and go from there.